Good morning, foodies. It's still morning. It's about 11:30. Just come back from a dog walk and my phone's about to die, so I'm just doing this really quickly. I'm making soup for lunch. So we've got some potatoes getting ready to boil in there. When they're boiled, we'll turn it off and throw these in. So we've got equal amounts of nettle and wild garlic that's been chopped, and then I might throw these in about 5 minutes before it finishes, because boiling it gets rid of the stings, and I'll throw this in when it's turned off, because like spinach it'll wilt really quickly and then it'll be blitzed. So I've turned it off the heat. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. In with the wild garlic. Let that wilt. Add some salt and pepper to the potatoes, but I'll add some more into the vegetables. Pepper. Just to break down the bitterness of the nettle. And then we're going to blitz it, so it's going to get noisy. Also added another knob of butter. I put some butter in with the potatoes, but I'm putting some more in now for the vegetables. And we blitz. It's going to be messy. It's not as thick as I normally make it. I didn't put enough potatoes in it, but never mind, it's still going to taste nice. Look at that colour. So there we have it, a healthy lunch, brown bread roll. I normally put cream on it, but I don't have any. I wasn't prepared to be doing this. I went out and did the garlic harvest on the spur of a moment yesterday, so apologies for the unpreparedness. Taste test. Yum yum. Get yourself out there, get some wild garlic, get some nettles, put more potatoes in there than I did to make it a bit thicker, and make some healthy, free foraged food. Enjoy.